Hey you guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys how I got this makeup look here. All drugstore products, maybe except for one little thing, you know what I'm saying? I tried to keep it as inexpensive, drugstore, and affordable as possible, okay? I mean, I wasn't playing. I'm like, what's all my good stuff? I mean, lip pencil's $1. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look using very affordable products, then please continue to watch. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys. Okay, you guys, so I've already applied my primer. You guys already know the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is my go-to. I'm always using this. So that's what we put on today. And let's go ahead and go in with our foundation. For my brows, I did go in with the Morphe Brow Pencil. You know, we're keeping everything affordable in drugstore. And then for our foundations, which I'm about to go ahead and start applying, I'm using these two Maybelline foundations. I think that this is I must have had this bottle for a long time. This is the old packaging and this is the newer packaging for the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I use two colors. One's a little warmer, typically more my summertime tone, and this is my like normal wintry kind of skin tone. So we're gonna mix the two together, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply that to our skin. I have these pumps on here. These pumps are from MAC. I just prefer to my foundations to have pumps on them. It's more convenient, and I feel like I'm able to really control the product. I'm literally getting over a cold. I'm like, oh my goodness, why did I get sick? I don't even leave the house. And then I'm just using my Real Techniques buffing brush to apply the foundation. I don't want to waste that, so I'm just going to go ahead and build up coverage in any areas that I have my hyperpigmentation and acne scars or any blemishes. Foundation is on, so I'm going to go in with my two Milani concealers I'm always using no matter what. I love the consistency of these concealers. I do have some on my hand that is already mixed. Of the two colors, so I'm going to go ahead and use that first. I'm just going in with this brush, and this is the Bold Lip 542. I love how flat it is. This is what I use to clean up my brows whenever I actually clean them up, but this is what I use to apply it on my brows. And I'm just going to go right under the eye and apply that concealer down my nose, chin, center of the forehead, right under the contour, just a little bit, just to do a little bit of reverse contouring. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Do a little light. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray all in my hair, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead, cut on my fan, and set this concealer down a little bit. Now that the concealer has dried down a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the foundation brush first and blend this in right here. could see the lines on my skin because I just did my personal microdermabrasion. I didn't go in hard, but I can definitely see the lines on this side. Dang it. Now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna blend out the rest of the concealer. The cold has to go. To add some warmth and dimension to the skin, going in to contour with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Concealer in Walnut. We're just going to pop it here. You don't want to bring it low, like super low, because that can completely change the shape of your face. And that's not what we're trying to do. So, around here, right under here. And I'm gonna go in with a dual fiber brush and blend this all in. For my liquid blush today, I'm going in with e.l.f. and this is Suave Mauve, of course. You guys know I love this tone. It's really nice, especially for a super muted kind of blush. So pretty. So we're putting that on the cheeks. And I do a little bit on my nose. Go ahead and blend this in. Now, there is one product I don't have a drugstore item for at this moment, but I will go out and pick some up. That's going to be my setting powder. The only one that I currently have is Le Mercier in one size. So I'm going to use the one size powder and just set under my eyes. I'm going in with a little puff. I'm going to touch up the blend right under the eye really quick. Go ahead and set my under eye. Okay, so this is another product I don't have a drugstore powder for. This is a Sephora collection powder, however, so it's not necessarily super high-end, but it is a Sephora collection micro smooth powder. I'm just going in with that same powder puff, and this is a lighter color. I just really want to brighten the under eye, and I'm gonna go pick up some affordable powders, you guys. I am. I had some, I just don't know where they are, so. But this is gonna have to do for now. We'll just pretend like this is a inexpensive powder. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Bronze Duo, and this is in Tan. Pop this open, and I'm going to mix the two colors and put that right in here. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a little tiny Real Techniques brush. This is their Essential Crease Brush. And we're going to go ahead and bring back that dimension to our nose. Juvia's Place Volume 4 Blush Palette. And we're going to go ahead and go in with another little angled brush. We're going to mix the two colors together. And I'm just going to lightly touch these on the cheek because I don't really want to change the blush that I currently have on. I don't want to make it too pink. I am going to brush off any powder. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Essence Pencil in Black Fever. And we're going to smudge this across our lash line. And then we're going to lightly blend that out with a small brush. And just lightly kind of wing it out like that. I am going to diffuse this with some powders, but this is essentially what I want. And I'm just going to continue to feather that pencil up. Now once these pencils dry, they are not moving. So just be mindful of that. Be mindful of exactly where you're putting the pencil, because that's pretty much going to be it. Once it's like set, it's set. So I'm going to go ahead, do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I did this eye completely. Go ahead and finish the right eye. Ain't nothing but enough. I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Deep Dark Duo bronzer. And bronzer duo. What? I cannot talk right now. And I'm going to go into the top shade here, because it's not going to be too dark. I feel like this is very much like we going in. We doing some really, really dark smoky eye. But I'm going to tap off the rest of that powder, and I'm just literally running this across the eyelid. And this is going to also diffuse the black liner. And yeah, just blending the two of those together. And then I'm going to bring whatever's left on the brush up. Not going all the way to the brow bone. You want to keep that clean, just like that. And that should be all. So I'm going back in with the Black Fever from Essence. And I'm going to tight line my eye. And I'm going to line my waterline. We want to keep this a little cleaner, not really dragging it down. I'm going to smudge just the outer corner of the bottom liner, down from the very outer corner, connecting that to this wing at the top. Just like that. That's it. Now I'm going in with my Eye Envy Press and Go lashes. I'm just going to take 2 of the 14s and apply that onto my eye. I love these. I don't need glue. You guys know I'm not doing too much. Taking 2 pieces. One I'm gonna put more towards the middle. Honestly, had no business listening to this when I was younger. I loved Pretty Ricky back then. It was so funny. Then I'm gonna put on one more. Put that right in the outer part like that. I'm going in with my e.l.f. lash extender. As you guys know, I absolutely love this mascara. And I'm actually going to apply it on my lashes and the Press and Go. And today I don't have it on mic, so hopefully my audio doesn't sound terrible. We're also going to apply some to the bottom lashes again, just on the outer corner. I don't really like applying anything on the bottom waterline for my eyes. I just don't like the way it looks necessarily, but when you do like smoky, you also have to do whatever you do at the top or on the bottom. Kind of like one of those unwritten rules. So what we're gonna do is do our lip combo, and the lip combo I'm gonna do today is going to be with my Ruby Kisses lip pencil. This is a drugstore beauty supply lip liner that I got for $1. Keeping this on brand, and I'm going to lightly outline my lips. That's it. And then I do have a Juvia's Place lip pencil right here, and this is in the shade Sweet Nothing. It is a little lighter. I'm just lightly going in the center of the lip where I didn't place the deeper liner, and I'm rubbing this all in there. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this LA Girl Rosewood lip pencil, and I'm going to put that in there as well, and then blend. This one is a little bit more of that pinky color. This is like MAC Half Red to me, and I personally love Half Red from MAC and Morning Coffee. So yeah, that's why I use that one. And then let's go ahead and put on some clear lip gloss. I do a lot of lip pencils as my lip color already, so this makes the most sense. My little NYX clear gloss that I already use a ton of, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that on top of the lip color. Make it all glossy. That clear gloss, boy, that thing just at another level to the lips. So let me go fluff up my hair because it looks crazy right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the final look. I just took a round brush to my hair really quick because it was looking crazy. And I don't have time to curl it, so this is going to be the final look. I tried my best to stay within my drugstore makeup that I have. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see the next time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to subscribe and like the video, okay? And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.